Verjuice is a type of juice that is made from sour fruit like crab apples or unripe grapes. It is a useful ingredient to keep in the fridge, excellent for adding acidic flavor to food. Finding verjuice can be a challenge in some countries, and buying a whole bottle for one recipe may be overkill. The good news is there are plenty of suitable verjuice substitutes that you can use in cooking. They won't perfectly mimic the flavor, but in most cases, the difference will be barely noticeable. For a low-cost alternative, we recommend white wine vinegar. You'll find that vinegar is a little harsher than verjuice, but most of the sourness will get cooked off. To get the best out of your recipe, choose a high-quality product. This can have a big impact on your dish, and the difference between cheap and premium vinegar is usually only a couple of dollars. Lemon juice is an easy-to-find replacement that'll work if you're in a pinch. It's another option that is best used in cooked recipes. Verjuice has a more complex flavor profile than lemon juice, and is also a more subtle ingredient. For this reason, try to avoid using lemon juice to flavor dressings and other uncooked dishes. And if you must use it, use moderation or you will overpower the food. Another substitute you may want to try is apple cider vinegar. It has a sweet and tart flavor that won't closely match the complexity you get from verjuice, but it won't be out of place in many recipes.